there! In today's video, I'll show you how to set up your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Let's get started. As a first step, we would be on this main screen in which we will see hello in different languages. Then we need to click on this blue button and here choose the language that we want our phone to be in. After you have chosen, click on the blue button next. And here you would need to check out the privacy policy and if you want to agree to it or not. I will choose only the first one which is required and the optionals I will leave. Then click next. And here you can also do an easy setup with another device or set this phone manually. I will choose this variant. Here you can choose a Wi-Fi network or you can also skip this step and do it later. I will skip it and click skip. Here you would need to choose the date and time, your time zone and everything else what you can see right here and adjust if needed. After click next and here you can choose which of the Google services you would like to use. For example, location, allow scanning, send usage and diagnostic data and a lot of more. Then after you have chosen, click accept. And here you can set up a password, for example, face recognition, fingerprints, PIN, password or pattern, or you can also skip it. Here you can choose which of the Samsung services you would like to use. For example, auto blocker, customization service, smart suggestions, and that's all. Here, after you have chosen, click agree and choose which display mode you would like to use, light or dark. I will choose dark and click next. Here we would need to wait a few seconds until our phone will be fully set up. Here you'll be able to see information how to take care of your phone right. As you can see right here. Then click next and we are all set up. We are clicking on this finish button and we can start using our phone. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.